What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the tech news. We're starting a little bit late today on a Sunday. Wasn't feeling well, like a cold's building up, and I don't know, just got lazy, and now we're into the news. But anyways, let's start it up. The first story of the day is about the Galaxy S11e and other models. Now, if you can see from the headline here, that we have the S11e, the rumor is anyway, that it's going to have a curved display and optional 5G with it. Now, if you remember the S10e, which this is not, had a flat display, did not have the curved edges on there. The S11e looks to have that curved display on there, similar to what the S10 and S10 Plus also had. So if you like or don't like curved displays, you gotta remember that. I don't know, some people don't like it. It seems like the more time goes on, a lot of people, especially in the tech field, like tech reviewers, like the flat displays better. I kind of don't mind the curved displays. It just makes the phones that are larger easier to hold. That's why I personally like it. But other than that, I can take it or leave it, I guess, at that point. Also to keep in mind, 5G is going to be optional on the S11e. It looks like it's going to come in LTE and 5G. Obviously, the 5G will be a premium that you'll have to pay. Also, S11, the middle one, is going to be same thing, LTE or 5G, and then the S11 Plus will strictly be 5G, no LTE version. So if it looks like, I think most people will probably end up buying the S11e Plus anyway, just because of that. They want the bigger the better. I do know some of you like that middle version as well, and you'll have the option for LTE or 5G. But yeah, kind of interesting to see that Samsung's not going to fully jump in with 5G. They'll still give you the option for LTE. And the last story of the day is that Samsung has secured an old patent for a Surface-like dual screen, foldable screen. Now, this is what the Surface Fold is going to look like when this is released later next year. This is gonna be in 2020. This is the Microsoft version of the dual screen, and it's gonna fold in half, but you'll have two screens. And there's a few phones that are like this, but it looks like Samsung has a very similar patent that they're gonna use. I don't know if it's gonna be the next year or the year after, or maybe they'll never use it, but I personally am excited about this version of the phones as well, because it's cool to have two screens next to each other. One closes in, and then you basically have a built-in cover on there. You don't have to personally buy an external cover for the phone. It'll be protected, and you'll have two displays, one to watch videos on, one to scroll the internet with, and of course you can do multi-window on your phone, but it's not the same as having two full-screen displays. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. My question out to you guys is, how do you feel about having a phone with two displays on there rather than just one big display, and maybe you can, use it to do whatever? I love having the dual displays. I think it's really, really cool. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching. See you down the road. Peace!